Question. Which island has the most misleading name? The guy who discovered this island, Eric the Red, named it Greenland because, believe it or not, there are some trees and meadows in the south of the island. But guess what? 6/7 of the island are covered in ice all year round. So yeah, the name doesn't quite fit. The early settlers stuck with this name to lure as many folks from Scandinavia to this cold, icy, barren, and tough island as possible. Question. Which lighthouse shines the brightest of them all? Off the coast of Brittany, France, on the island of Ouessant stands the Brightest Lighthouse. This 164-foot tall beacon sends out signals into the Atlantic with the power of 500 million candles. In 1974, on the shores of the Baltic Sea in the Soviet Union, a lighthouse was built that gets its juice from a nuclear reactor. They control it from the mainland. Question. Where are the steepest cliffs? The eastern coast of Taiwan juts straight out of the sea in some spots almost a mile high. Hawaii has cliffs that go even higher, over a mile. The highest cliff in Europe is on the island of Madeira in the Atlantic Ocean. The world-famous observation deck at Cabo Girao sits nearly 600 meters above sea level. Question. Which continent is the lowest? Australia. It's the lowest, the oldest, the smallest, the quietest in terms of volcanoes, and the most politically uniform continent. Only half of the continent, the Western Plateau, sits above the average sea level of 350 meters. The highest Aussie mountain, Kosciuszko, is only 7,310 feet tall. Since Australia is the oldest continent, all volcanic activity there ended long ago. It's the only continent with just one country,